Hello guys, so today we are going to solve a problem from LeetCode, which is 796 rotate string. So let us first understand the problem. Here we are given two strings A and B, and we have to make shifts on A until that string become equal to B. So if it is not possible in any permutation, then we have to return false, and by any means if we are doing n number of shifts and we are getting the right answer as string B, then it is true. So here you can see the example. The first string is A B C D E. By doing left shifts, A will go to the last position, and similarly after that B will go to last position. So after two left shifts, the result we will get as the string B. So yes, by doing some n shifts, we are getting string B. Uh, Let us see the example 2. So here, if we try to do any number of shifts, there will be no way where we can get string B. This is because if we interchange any position, for example, if E is coming before D, so this is not possible in any case. So if in original string if D is before E, then in any permutation D will always be before E only. So as the output seems that the D is after E, so this is not possible in any case. So this is a very good problem, but it is a very simple problem. So we have to just make a shift. So the basic things we have to check: if the strings are equal, then we can return true. And there is some other intuition which I would like to explain, which is suppose we will take the example. So if I do A plus A, so what it gives me is that A B C D E, and again A B C D E. So this entire string contains all the possible permutation of A B C D and E. So if my string B lies in A, then the answer is done. So we have to check the length. If their length are equal, and we have to check the if the B is substring in 2A, that is A plus A. So A plus A dot contains B, then this will return true. So let us run the code. So as you can see, it has passed the test case. Let us submit. So as you can see, the problem has successfully submitted and it has been accepted. This is a very simple approach. Thank you.